Keraba dosi bali moko ndichigari nchera. Mama nyolega aliene ya kwamire. Abantu mukuri bacha basukumira babarusha matawa bime. Ne vijana. Makwende mechi bali bali nchera w'ekipikipiki. Bacha baba Konya mwasukuma chigari chiri chakoraki charunchira samatawa. Mwagenda ne sabali yenu. Bali mama etema atwalda matange mechi ino. Kero muntu asirire. Vijana na bikorangiru bya kunyo bwina. Baka kabisa. Abande babuguli umubere. Bayikali batrimbukye umubirori. Ende batuberera kabisa bakora. Enero gusiyeto. Kermo nyorenga ababegwa abayibi bachire imichi botuko. Kermo gukura kabisa bangina marute bikuru kabisa kirase. Moko nyorange vijana na biko mnyoka gucha ne mioro abandi bacha ne matimo abandi ne ebibago guhito muibi gose koma sel. Kero ekebengi kyachire muchi titabine kenyoro. Aba murana bakwimukime wacho. Baba minyoke kabisa. Bagite gyakwa. Ekebengi garangero mabantu karete shida. Kiroba to muzige chiro. Ogane tu monta ko bugoreri okuri mu murori chinguru ogokonya. Asabara ibali bayitutura bara Kenya gusiya ito. Keramo gane security ko protected. Ebijana mokora bali chinguru bacha bate na nyuma mega yino babalenda. Mogo kuno. What am I trying to say? Ebijana byagusimbi what a big role to play in the societal affairs. Chagusi. The same consideration to vijana when it comes to the issues to do with to our society, our community, roles, basic ones. To provide the same consideration as Obogambi na waraba. Akonyo oli kijana gyote nopo MCA. Unaona naroche. Vijana byeso gati kirase bando bo senator, abando bo governor, abando bo MCA, which is okay. Kama nyoro mugako bwato mwana mumbro musae so bwato mwana nyaruka ochire school olika tolio karakene ota yabanga kijana ikengera nyoma tabwa experience no mwana omuke tako nyara kende maba discourage kuke sete be muko bakira kura maba digao muko ebanga umwana buno yuwa sekuru school university acho rubugambe to no bwimisieka umwana uri ogoleka abo mumura abenyaruka akwegwa moyo nga kai kumbe nabunguru university graduated ingimo kyankaleke nyorobe msie abagaka nabangina bandigirere but bona vijana vingi mbiri gwetokeza guzi asenge njogo chayo ngambako koraki mbago nyara unfortunately mpaka vijana vinde vireni siasa byago behave boyo oyenda kwanyoro munono ga kerenyo pika bisa bamwe to kreto mugaka acho go for that seat by election year inki mutakuri mugaka mu beke county muri gyo kijana mukie okoboko gose akujitokeza tika to encourage our young men and women to be encouraged honestly. Oko yanda matanga kwanyoro mugako 60 70 years na ere master of ceremony bana kuri kitabu kya matanga ali bantu kiwachire baso marambirabi na bagaka 60 years and above lika muko ini cooperative jano ro tana ki ayeka be master of ceremony Konya na noyo kabaga egere kagere mutayo yanyo kananga we have quality leaders to take up such responsibilities. Batibona abantu moko batacheranse ibakucha bunyo option keregere go ya kwamire. Get your men and women, teach them the ways. Abagaka get abana bayo kinjira babento koba enjirim du bento okoro because honestly mbaba experience but teach them. Although we can also know true loutinga, if vijana we are disappointed a lot. boni gaskuize nyasole kunyu kirase bono kwa maonyoranga abayibuli basinyuro abakaka nabangina basinyuro trust vijana. It is true, I admit it's a big challenge, but I think that goes back to parenthood. Genda katevi vijana kiago muswati uko musko how to live. We are not genuine, but the fact remains we can be guided. Secondly, get to the people but have dual influence to those youths. Encourage them on how to bring up these other people, these other youths. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm saying this because years to come, you're not going to have good leaders. It's going to be a big challenge. Equally, it's a disappointment kera onyori vijana vigo sopo kambi byasali biko munda akata chipara akachichi skuru akali kyango omachara akata ni chingenda biko yonda ko humble himself na bako sell abantu bako sera abantu bako bateka kabisa buno bantu tumya chipesa bako chaya bali batapuaji yani they enjoy kera abantu bacho kubasabera nga 50 nga 20 nga 30 nga 200 nga 500 they are happy kera abantu bakandi chipesa bako sera. They don't feel nga kera barucho abantu ekransi kiti baichira bako sera bako sawa chipesa no putaka buko baleto. They don't have the idea nga they need to get up and be able to assist these people in the villages. Bako kiba ikaransi biti bako agatenga ngo badoli chipesa baiba chipesa vacha vavantu pamakokanga vachivile. Some of those leaders, of course, they are let down to us, but in the society so in a nutshell, let those not few people, those who are not doing the right things, but discourage our parents back at home to support their youths. The younger thing is some families reach a point where are wishing onion thing kijani kiana mawaida mo buraige tega boke moro kelimo kalvin devre bitatu angaboni ngantoli somewhere usiga ngonyora muri abantu ba nyorira mali parosira mali kapisa baka bigire maka 70 mungwano yomanya gukwa amali ya yonse pi asira no metasike. They did not get time to mentor abana babo on how to grow in terms of leadership, in terms of being responsible. Abana baro abange miongo mbama it what to do, how and when, because they were not brought up in an environment where they need to be proactive. So kama when you are a multi-billion million wealth ego crumble it once muntu asiri kurumuchi. Let us mentor the kids. As you exit, let someone be there, you holding your hand, and let them be your kids. Mungu anaro kusiali metenga abwatega lagi mwana tametuka nigari takwalao akune egasi ya no kusibi umano jire baki university but egasi ya no kusibi work achanya sibi work anyitika no empacking isoko ira omanye kurwara nyomba ogani umano lyo gakarinya gitari akubogoli timati which society we all live in. But in the comment section, share with me what is your experience. Abasae moro, please, on the comment section, engage me. Thank you so much for watching.